Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to unblock our contact in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So, how to unblock the contact that is blacklisted in our phone? First, we need to open our phone book. Then, I know that Mr. John is on our blacklist. So, we can open this info here. As you can see, this is blocked. More, and then unblock contact. The symbol has disappeared. And now Mr. John can contact us again. And that's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.